Okay, students, in the continuation of exercise 9.1, here we discuss the question number 50 because it is a very different question. Question number 11 and in question number 14, diagram is also given. Already given. So you can easily solve question number 11 and 14, and question number 12 and 13 you can easily solve because this type of question we discussed earlier in examples and the exercise. Okay, so question number 15 and question number 16 we need to discuss here, because in the question number 15 a tower is given and the observer here stand here on the top of the tower and observe a car by angle of depression 30 degree, and after 6 seconds car 6 seconds later the car moves from point P to Q and the angle of depression increases by 60 to 30 degree. Understand? Car moves towards the tower from point P to point Q. It takes 6 seconds to cover this distance PQ. Now what we need to find out here, time taken by car to reach the foot of the tower by this point. यहाँ से पॉइंट Q से पॉइंट B तक पहुंचने में इस कार को कितना टाइम लगेगा ये हमको निकालना है. हमको यहाँ टावर की हाइट भी नहीं गिवन है, ना कार की कोई स्पीड गिवन है, ना हमको ये कोई डिस्टेंस गिवन है, ओनली एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन गिवन है. और ये गिवन है कि टाइम जो कार को पॉइंट P से पॉइंट Q तक पहुंचने में 6 सेकंड लगते हैं. अंडरस्टैंड? सो व्हाट वी डू हियर, फर्स्ट वी लेट द हाइट ऑफ द टावर h meter, right? Second thing, let the speed of the car that is equal to v meter per second. ये हमने लेट की है. कार की स्पीड जो है यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड वो v मीटर पर सेकंड हमने लेट की. टावर की हाइट हमने लेट की h मीटर. एक चीज और लेट करनी पड़ेगी हमको कि यहां से यहां तक पहुंचने में हमको ये मान लेट करना पड़ेगा कि इसको यहां से यहां पहुंचने में t सेकंड लगता है. टाइम टेकन टू रीच the foot of a tower that is equal to t second. तो तीन चीजें हमने यहाँ लेट की, हाइट ऑफ द टावर h मीटर, स्पीड ऑफ द कार v मीटर पर सेकंड, एंड टाइम टेकन टू द कार टू रीच द फुट ऑफ द टावर दैट इज t second. Understand? As you know that distance is equal to speed into time. Yes or no? Distance is equal to speed into time. That's why we can calculate PQ distance because it takes 6 seconds. So what is distance covered? PQ. PQ is equal to 6 into V. The speed is what? So this is 6V. PQ. Understand? Similarly, what is QB? QB again same, you use same formula. Time taken by T and speed is what? V. So V into T मीटर, इधर 6, ये हो जाएगा हमारा VT मीटर. Yes or no? Distance covered by car from point Q to point B or foot of the tower. Now we use the trigonometry, and before that you know that this is angle 30 degree, so this is also angle 30 degree by alternate interior angle. Similarly, if this is 60 degree, this angle is also a 60 degree by alternate interior angle. Now, in triangle APB tan 30 is equal to what? Opposite h upon 60 plus VT. 60 plus VT. This is the total distance. PB is equal to PQ plus QB. That is 60 plus VT. What is tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 upon under root 3. So h upon 6v plus vt. This is equation number first. Now in triangle ABQ, again use trigonometry, tan 60 h upon vt. Yes or no? What is tan 60? Under root 3 h upon vt, right? So what is h here? Can we calculate h here? Yes. So h is equal to under root 3 v into t. This is our equation number second. Now put the value of h here by equation 2 in equation number 1. Now what will we get by equation 1 and 2? 1 upon under root 3 is equal to under root 3 vt upon 6v plus vt. Yes or no? Now v, take common v and reduce it. So what will we get? 1 upon under root 3 is equal to under root 3t upon 6 plus t. Cancel. V. Can we reduce? Understand? By taking common, you can reduce the v. Now, by solving this, what will we get? Cross multiply. 3t is equal to 6 plus t. So what will we get? Transfer t here. 2t is equal to 6. So t is equal to 3. It means what? Time taken to reach the foot of the tower. It means 3 seconds. यहाँ से यहाँ तक पहुंचने में कार को कितना टाइम लगेगा? 3 सेकंड का. Understand? This is all about the question number 15. So please read the question again and revise 2 times so that you can understand how we solve this type of questions. Thank you.